Alrighty guys, good morning. Coming to you with another YouTube video. Thanks for the recent views and a couple of recent subscriptions. I really appreciate you guys. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Today we're going to be working on the truck a little bit, but I got two things I gotta get done before that. You know, the day-to-day stuff, the week-to-week stuff. My 2001 GMC Sierra extended cab just pooped out a driver's side wheel bearing, and Bailey's truck just pooped out a passenger side wheel bearing. So we're gonna attack those two today, and then hopefully I got some time to work on getting some of the wiring sorted on this truck, on the regular cab, and I'd like to get set up for tomorrow. I might try and put the cab on. So it's a little premature because I wanted to have the driveline and the fuel system done before that, but I think it's just gonna work better if I put the cab on and kind of have stuff to start mounting, or areas to start mounting stuff to. So let me flip around. I want to show you a couple things and then we'll get to work. Alrighty, so the last time I saw you guys, we were working on the transfer case didn't fit, trying to work through those problems, and I started doing the wiring harness. So got the wiring harness kind of laid out roughly. I did get off video. I got the intake manifold on with our new 120-pound fuel injectors in there, and so that's not torqued yet. I'll have to get that torqued down, but it sits good. The crossover coolant steam port from eBay fits well with the stock intake, which is awesome. And we're gonna start, once I get time to work on this today, we're gonna start putting wires where wires gotta go. So I'm gonna work on this, get the wires kind of in a fashion where I can roll it outside, and then the GMC out there, we're gonna start on that driver's side wheel bearing, which I hope I can get to fit in here with the cab in the way. I guess we'll find out. So see you in a little bit.
Wakes you up, the overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it, You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunders. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure, listen to your gut. The right path will come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it, You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunders. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. The right path will come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it, You hope for wonders, living life life means making blunders. It can make you shatter. You will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want.
Alrighty, checking back in with you. Got some work done. Throw the cab on the frame. I wasn't necessarily super ready for the cab to go on today. I wanted to get some of the driveline stuff done, and there was a couple other things like exhaust and crossover pipe and that kind of stuff. But I said to heck with it and threw the cab on because I wanted the room and gives me a little more motivation to keep working on it. So it looks really nice. I did get the exhaust manifold torqued down, and I started to do all the connecting the wires for like the injectors and the map sensor and all that fun stuff. So that's torqued and, you know, ready to stay where it is. And got some stuff that I was starting to plug in, but overall pretty happy with the progress today. It's starting to look like a truck again, and I should have some time tomorrow to come and see what we can get done. So keep watching, appreciate it. See you guys next time.